Chapter 5 Community Services Question Answer. Page number 43. Let's do answer D1. The question is question number D. Answer briefly. First question is, what is community service? Answer you all know. I have already told you what is community service. So community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. So what is community service? Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. We have already discussed about this in our interactive class. So just see what is community service. Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Next question. What type of community service can you volunteer for? So answer D2. Question is, what type of community service can you volunteer for? So you can assist the elder people, you can participate in the neighborhood watch program. So in the beautification of locality you can also contribute. But most important, I will suggest you to write here that I can volunteer for स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. So children, did you know about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd October 2014 to have a clean India by 2 October 2019 on the Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. So it is a national mission to clean India. So just write it up. What type of community service you can volunteer? So you can volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. You can volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next question. What is the importance of Van Mahotsav? What is the importance of Van Mahotsav? What do we do in Van Mahotsav? So during Van Mahotsav, what do? We plant trees. During Van Mahotsav, what do? We plant trees. So that is the importance of Van Mahotsav. So Van Mahotsav is celebrated by planting trees, and when it is celebrated in the first week of July every year. So it is the festival of planting trees. So during Van Mahotsav, what do? During Van Mahotsav, we plant tree. That is the importance of Van Mahotsav. Write down. Next question, question number D4. How do trees clean the atmosphere? So how do trees clean the atmosphere? Trees clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. How do trees clean the environment? How do trees clean the atmosphere? Trees clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. That is the importance of tree also. Trees clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. Now next question. Repeat. Next question. Question number D5. Name two qualities for community living. What quality do you need to live in a society? What are the quality for community living? The first quality just everybody should have is coordination. The first quality is coordination. Coordination. We should have coordination means we should have the quality to adjust with the people. We should cooperate the people. We should have quality to adjust with the people. So first is coordination. Second is having tolerance. Tolerance. Coordination and tolerance. Coordination. Here coordination means adjustment. To adjust in the communities, we should have coordination. Coordination means adjustment. Then tolerance. Tolerance here means having patience. Beside this point, you can also write over here the qualities for community living, just like harmony, brotherhood, cooperation. All these are the quality for community living. Now let's consolidate all answers. The first question number D. First question, what is community service? What is community service? The answer is community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. I am repeating the answer. Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Now question number 2. You will give here one margin after finishing the answer. Then you will again write down the question. Question number 2. Write down. Write question number 2. What type of community service can you volunteer for? Write down the answer. I can volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Here you can write down any relevant point. Whatever you want to write here, for what service you want to volunteer, you can write it up here. So here you write down, I can volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Then give margin here. Write down next question. Question number 3. What is the importance of Van Mahotsav? Answer. Note down the answer. During Van Mahotsav, we plant trees. During Van Mahotsav, we plant trees. Now the next question, give here margin here. After every answer you will give margin with pencil. Write down next question. Question number 4. How do trees clean the atmosphere? How do atmosphere. Trees clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. Trees clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. Next question. Name two qualities for community living. Name two qualities for community living. Two qualities are having coordination. Number one, coordination. Number two, tolerance. Coordination and tolerance. Again I am repeating the answers. What is community service? The community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Question number 2. What type of community service can you volunteer for? I can volunteer for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Question number 3. What is the importance of Van Mahotsav? During Van Mahotsav, we plant trees. Next question. Question number 4. How do trees clean the atmosphere? Trees clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. Next question. Name two qualities for community living. The two qualities are coordination and tolerance. Note down your today's homework. Write and learn. Question number D. This is your homework. Write and learn question number D of chapter 5 community service, page number 43. Page number 43. So this is your homework. You will have to write and learn question number D. Now children, for question number D2, you can write any relevant point, any relevant answer. Just like you can write here, I can assist the elder people, I can help the elder people, then I can participate in neighborhood watch program, I can participate in the beautification of the locality, and also one can donate money and their services to the poor people. So children, but one important fact is here, many people give money and food to the beggar, but this is not a good practice. It is rather giving them, it is very important to train them for some special skills so that they can work to earn money. So children, I think you have understood the importance of community service. So each person should volunteer for community service. Why? Because it saves the natural resources like trees, soil, water. It brings the people close together, and also it builds a peaceful society, and also it is very important for the beautification of the locality. So each person should volunteer for what? For community service. So children, we should clean our surrounding and also we should plant trees. But before that, we will have to take care of our personal hygiene also. So children, you will do your homework, you will write and learn it, and you will have to answer when we are having our interactive class.